The one thing that helped me improve the quality of my gameplay was playtesting. How does it work? Stay with me and let me explain. I recently created a 2D top-down arcade-style shooting game. After finishing the character designs, enemy behaviors, and core mechanics, I thought it was ready to go. The game ran smoothly, I thought. But once I had someone trust actually play it, I realized there was a lot to improve. The feedback I received include things like the character's movement isn't smooth, the bullet fly too slow, the enemy move too fast. Even though everything was technically working, there was still tons of room for improvement. Therefore, the feedback from the playtest is so important. These suggestions make the game more enjoyable and sustainable to play, instead of getting crushed and feeling frustrated. Imagine you're new to running, going to a park and join a running group. On the first day, they make you run a half marathon. Most people, myself included, would just quit and never come back. Game design is the same. We need to balance difficulty, so players stay engaged and feel good when playing. That's why playtesting is so powerful. But here's the thing, getting feedback is only halfway of the story. What really matters is how you respond to it. That's where mindset comes in. Before I dive into the mindset, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're interested in what I've been learning. Maybe I'll inspire you on your own game developing journey. Now, let's talk about embracing change. Receiving feedback can be tough. It feels like everything you work hard on suddenly needs fixing. It can seem like your effort was wasted or going in the wrong direction. I get it. It is frustrating. But I find that having the right mindset can really help. And I want to share a method that works for me. When I get feedback that requires big changes, I first make a copy of the original version. Then, I go ahead and make a new version with all the suggested improvements. After a day or so, I play both versions. That gap of time actually led me to calm down emotionally and approach the comparisons more rationally. By reviewing both versions later, I can analyze which one actually plays better and make decisions about what to keep. That buffer helps me embrace feedback rather than rejecting it. I hope this way of thinking about playtesting and the mindset that comes with it can help you too. I'll be making more videos as I continue my journey in the game development. See you in the next one. Bye!